हेलो भ्युअर्स, वेलकम टु माई च्यानल। आज पनि म तपाईहरुको लागि कर्णाली प्रदेश लोक सेवाले मिति 2079 साल 2 महिना 15 गते लगेको कम्प्युटर अपरेटरको 5th लेभलको क्वेसन लिएर उपस्थित भएकी छु। लेट्स सल्भ इट। क्वेसन नम्बर 1, to insert a new slide in the current presentation we can choose ... Option A Ctrl plus M, Option B Ctrl plus N, Option C Ctrl plus O र Option D Ctrl plus P। यसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेको छ Option A Ctrl plus M। Question number 2, what does ASCII stands for? Option A American Standard Code for Information Interchange, Option B American Scientific Code for Information Interchange, Option C American Scientific Code for Interchanging Information, Option D American Standard Code for Interchanging Information। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेको छ Option A American Standard Code for Information Interchange। Question number 3, BIOS stands for ... Option A Base Interface Operating System, Option B Basic Input Output System, Option C Base Interaction for Output System र Option D Basic Interface to Operating System। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेको छ Option B Basic Input Output System। Question number 4, the unit that process logical and arithmetical operations ... Option A ALU, Option B control unit, Option C memory unit र Option D cache unit। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेको छ Option A ALU। Question number 5, the act of exploiting human weakness to gain access to personal information and protected system is known as ... Option A Trojan maneuver, Option B DDoS executing, Option C social engineering, Option D home infiltration। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option C social engineering। Question number 6, which of the following is the protocol that provide email facility? Option A FTP, Option B SMTP, Option C Telnet र Option D SNMP। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option B SMTP Simple Mail Transfer Protocol। Question number 7, as compared to the secondary memory, the primary memory of a computer is? Option A large, Option B cheap, Option C fast र Option D slow। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option C fast। Primary memory is faster than secondary memory। Question number 8, hexadecimal number are a mixture of ... Option A octal and decimal number, Option B binary and octet number, Option C letter and decimal number र Option D binary and decimal number। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option C letter and decimal number। 0 देखि 9 हुन्छ अनि A देखि F हुन्छ। Question number 9, you suspect a virus has entered your computer. What will not be affected by the virus? Option A CMOS, Option B boot sector, Option C floppy disk र Option D program file। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option A CMOS। Question number 10, which of the following is related to preventing unauthorized access to information? Option A ICT policy, Option B Privacy Act, Option C Electronic Transition Act र Option D National Communication Policy। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option C Electronic Transition Act। Question number 11, a computer program with a graphical user interface for displaying and navigating between web pages is called? Option A Navigator, Option B File Explorer, Option C Web Browser र Option D Word Processor। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर रहेको छ Option C Web Browser। Question number 12, a function inside another function is called ... Option A nested function, Option B round function, Option C sum function र Option D text function। इसको करेक्ट आन्सर हो Option A nested function। Question number 13. The ghost text that appear behind the text is known as option A. Earmark, option B. Shade mark, option C. Watermark र option D. Shadow mark. इसको correct answer हो option C. Watermark. Question number 14. How to insert the page break in the word? Option A. Enter, option B. Alt plus enter, option C. Control plus enter र option D. Shift plus enter. इसको correct answer हो option C. Control plus enter. We use Control plus enter to break the page in the word. Question number 15. In MS Word, frequently used tasks can be automated using ... Option A. Mail merge, option B. Micro, option C. Thrashers र option D. Spell checker. इसको correct answer हो option B. Micro. Question number 16. Which of the following feature in MS Word can help you locate misspelled word and correct them as you type? Option A. Spell checker, option B. Autocorrect, option C. Find and replace र option D. None of the above. इसको correct answer हो option B. Autocorrect. Question number 17. Indentation is used to ... Option A. Make text readable, option B. Change the paragraph color, option C. Apply border around text र option D. Change line spacing. इसको correct answer हो option D. Change line spacing. Question number 18. Gutter margin is ... Option A. Added to the left of margin when printing, option B. Added to the left margin when printing, option C. Added to the binding side of page when printing, option D. Added to the outside of the page when printing. इसको correct answer हो option C. Added to the binding side of the page when printing. Question number 19. Title is included inside ... Option A. Body, option B. Head, option C. Div र option D. None of the above. इसको correct answer हो option B. Head. Head tag मा चाहिँ title tag चाहिँ include हुन्छ. Question number 20. The tag used to add image to HTML document is ... Option A. Font, option B. HR, option C. HI र option D. Image. इसको correct answer हो option D. Image. Image tag is used to add the image in HTML. Question number 21. Which function in Excel helps rotate, that means switch, the value from row to column and vice versa? Option A. Inverse, option B. Flip, option C. Reverse र option D. Transpose. इसको correct answer हो option D. Transpose. Question number 22. Which feature is used to monitoring all document change? Option A. Edit documents, option B. Monitor change, option C. Track change र option D. Track all. इसको correct answer हो option C. Track change. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a correct method of editing the cell content? Option A. Press the Alt key, option B. Press the F2 key, option C. Click the formula bar र option D. Double click the cell. इसको correct answer हो option A. Press the Alt key. Question number 24. ... Update the data in a pivot table when the source data change. Option A. Format report, option B. Pivot table, option C. Refresh data र option D. Show data. इसको correct answer रहेको छ option C. Refresh data. Question number 25. Getting the data from a cell located in different sheet is called ... Option A. Accessing, option B. Refreshing, option C. Filtering र option D. Customizing. इसको correct answer हो option B. Refreshing. Question number 26. In a goal set, by changing the cell reference to the cell, option A. Containing the outcome formula, option B. Containing the constraint, option C. That you are attempting to calculate र option D. Containing the target value. इसको correct option रहेको छ option D. containing the target value. Question number 27. Which chart will be better to track the process of stock market on a daily basis? Option A pie, option B line, option C bar र option D scatter. इसको correct answer हो option B line. Question number 28. The operating system keeps the information of files in a table called ... Option A file table FFT, option B file index table FIT, option C file allocations table FAT र option D directory index table DIT. इसको correct answer रहेको छ option C file allocations table. Question number 29. Which statement is false? Option A you can find deleted file in recycle bin. Option B you can restore any file in recycle bin in you need. Option C you can increase free space of disk by sending the file in recycle bin. Option D you can right click and choose empty recycle bin to clean it at once. इसको correct answer रहेको छ option C you can increase free space of disk by sending file in recycle bin. यो चाहिँ false statement हुन्छ यहाँ दिएको statement मध्येमा. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a system tools? Option A disk management, option B disk defragmenter, option C backup र option D virus scanning. इसको correct answer हो option D virus scanning. Question number 31. Which command can be used to create or change name of volume of disk? Option A name, option B label, option C volume र option D fat. इसको correct answer हो option B label. Question number 32. Microsoft Access is a option A RDBMS, option B OODBMS, option C ORDBMS र option D network database model. इसको correct answer हो option A RDBMS. Question number 33. Which of the following database object asks a question of information in database and then display the result? Option A table, option B report, option C queries, option D form. इसको correct answer हो option C query. Question number 34. Which of the key to represent relationship between tables? Option A primary key, option B secondary key, option C foreign key, option D territory key. इसको correct answer हो option C foreign key. Question number 35. Which of the following cause retrieval of any kinds of data from the database? Option A key, option B query, option C indexing र option D relationship. इसको correct answer हो option C indexing. Objective question चाहिँ हामीले सल्भ गरिसकेका छौं. अब यहाँ चाहिँ सब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशनहरु दिएको छ. क्वेशन नम्बर 1 मा चाहिँ डिफाइन हार्डवेयर डिफरेन्शिएट बिट्विन डिभाइस ड्राइभर एन्ड फ्रेमवेयर भनेको छ. क्वेशन नम्बर 2 मा चाहिँ व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोनिक स्प्रेडशीट, एक्सप्लेन हाउ एमएस एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट इज अर्गनाइज्ड भनेको छ. क्वेशन नम्बर 3 मा चाहिँ व्हाट इज एन अपरेटिङ सिस्टम, डिफरेन्शिएट बिट्विन इन्टरनल एन्ड एक्सटर्नल कमान्ड अफ डज विथ एक्जाम्पल भनेको छ. यो चाहिँ हामीले आन्सर लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. हामीले चाहिँ कर्णाली प्रदेश लोकसेवा आयोगले 2019 साल 2 महिना 15 गते लगेको 5औं लेभलको कम्प्युटर अपरेटरको क्वेशन सल्भ गरिसकेका छौं. यस्तै जानकारीमूलक भिडियोको लागि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. थ्यांक यू.